Hello! We are going to be learning all about the sound. Very good. Can you do the action with me? Excellent. Let's practice writing using our finger. Excellent. Well done. Now can you help me say 5 times? Here we go. Very good. Our first word is house. 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 Let's sound it out. House. House. Great. Next is hammer. 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 Next we have hand. 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 Hair. 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 Air. Hair. Great. And our last word is happy. 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 Very good. Well done. Now, let's play. Can you remember our words? Let's take a look. Can you remember our first word? House. Very good. Can you remember this word? Hammer. Well done. What about this word? Hand. Fantastic. Can you remember this word? Hair. Great. And our last word? Can you remember what this is? Happy. Well done. Very good. Now let's say our sound one last time. Excellent. Very good.